Hey, Dewey McDonough here from Guaranty RV. Got a brand new 2020 Coachmen Catalina. It's the Trail Blazer model. 26TH is the model number. Let's go inside and look at this toy hauler. Probably one of our most popular. It's got a nice big entry here. So you got lots of room in here to put your toys. So you got a couple of chairs that move around. You got your side benches here that make into beds. You got your ramp door. You got a patio deck that drops down for the patio deck. Got a little curtain right there. Storage above there. You got storage above the sink here. Pretty good storage there. You got the microwave, fan, 3-burner Furrion with a glass oven. More storage on this side. Nice there. Storage here also right there. So you got LEDs, AC, tinted windows. Up in the front here you got a little cabinet space there. You got your CD player, DVD player built into the TV there. Speakers here. More storage. You got your Norcold refrigerator, freezer there. Air conditioning, like I said, above us. There's your thermostat here to control your heater. You walk in, you got your nice big corner shower. Got the big doors. Walk in, you got tons of room for big tall guys. You got your sink here, little vanity on that side. Your toilets on this side with more storage there, towels and whatnot. This has got a pocket door here. So you got a queen size bed that lifts up. This is a portable table for goes out there, or you can take it outside. And here you got a dresser, hanging clothes on both sides. Right there. You got a plug-ins on this side. You got a little place for a CPAP machine on both sides. There's storage under the bed, lifts up, and then more storage in the front compartment here. But walk around queen bed. And you got a separate bedroom, and the toy hauler gives you plenty of room for a razor. So you got lots of room in here, or multiple, you know, like quads or something. And outside you got the big grab handle. Here's your cable ready, plug-ins there. You got the new solid step, lightweight, folds up into the door. A lot of people liking the step. Outdoor speakers, electric awning. You've got storage in the front compartment up here. Underneath goes all the way across. Storage going through there, all the way across the front of the bed. You got a power tongue jack. It's got the big tall tanks. Couple batteries go here in the front. So here's your water heater, sewer, low point drains right there, cable hookup. Also here's an outdoor shower. Here's your water, plug, power, everything right here. So, like I said, in the back, your door, locking back door with the big hinges. Pretty simple. Fold down. Fold down, and there's your rails for your patio deck right there. It's pre-wired for backup camera. That's what up here is. So if you're looking for a nice little lightweight toy hauler, it's not too big, it's kind of the right size, this is perfect for you. Come see me, Dewey McDonough, Guaranty RV.